Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with Infant Toddler Youth and Car Seat Quickie, and today we're going to show you how to release the Uppababy Mesa or the Mesa V2 off the classic Mesa base. There's a gray button directly behind the chair. You're going to have one hand on the handlebar, one hand is going to reach behind the chair. You're going to find the button and you're going to squeeze and hold. Once you've held that button, you can easily lift it up to remove it. The gray button is right over here, and this is what it looks like. When you're reattaching the car seat to the base, if you need something to kind of eyeball, the bottom of the car seat has little teeth here, and you're gonna line them up with the metal bars on the base. So when you're setting it down, it's gonna click. That's how you know it's in there correctly. So again, one hand on the handlebar, one hand reaches behind the car seat, you're gonna squeeze and hold, and then you can lift it up and out. Hopefully this helped. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.